Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to automate product recommendations with ManyChat using a simple product carousel setup in 2025. This is a great way to show customers the right products at the right time and make your chats more interactive. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and go to Automation. Step 2. Click Automate with AI. Step 3. In the AI prompt, type something like Create a product recommendation carousel with 3 items. Each card should show an image, product name, description, and a button to learn more or buy. Step 4. ManyChat will generate the carousel automatically. You can replace the placeholder products with your actual items, update images, and change the links to your website or store. Step 5. Connect this flow to a trigger such as when a user types Show Me Products or after browsing a category. Step 6. Test your carousel inside Messenger or Instagram to make sure the cards look good and the links work correctly. Step 7. Publish your flow and start recommending products automatically. You can also add logic so different users see different carousels based on their tags or activity. And that is it. You just set up automated product recommendations in ManyChat using a basic product carousel in 2025. This keeps your chats engaging and helps you boost sales with minimal effort.